Hi guys, let's review Realme X smartphone. We are Realme Global Distributor. Meanwhile, we are Xiaomi Global Distributor. If you like Realme smartphones, Realme X smartphone, you can contact with us. You can place us the order directly. We can make it global sending. Okay, let's continue to unboxing and review Realme X. It is a full screen smartphone. It is a 6.53-inch AMOLED LED display, 19.5 to 9 radio, 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels, 5th generation Corning Gorilla Glass. Its operating system is Android 9.0 operating system. CPU is MTK. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 octa-core, 2.2 GHz, 64 GB ROM, 4 GB RAM, or 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, 4 GB RAM, or 8 GB RAM. $256 GB ROM, 8 GB RAM. Let's enter into the menu. Battery built-in is 3765 mAh. Supports 20 watt fast battery charging. Fif 55% full of charging, only need 30 minutes. Now we had to enter into the menu. Its main camera is 48 megapixel f1.7 aperture, 5 megapixel f2.4 aperture. From camera is motorized point up 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture. Let's test its camera. 48 megapixel camera. See the details, full screen. It supports multi-language menus. Let's continue to check what included in the color box. One piece hard palette case. One piece a jet pen. Manual and warranty certificate. Charger. 20-watt fast charger. Type-C USB cable. That's all. Thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. If you want to make B2B business of the smartphones, you can contact with us.